Realme 7i, the first smartphone in its price range to flaunt a 64 megapixel quad camera. Let's start with the designs first. Realme 7i, using the same mirror design, an iconic splitting line is present in a diagonal direction, dividing the phone into two parts. The two parts of the split use a completely different surface treatment process, high light reflection on the top and matte texture on the bottom, forming an acutely sharp contrast. The Realme 7i comes in two light and dark colors, Fusion Green and Fusion Blue. The Realme 7i is bringing 64 megapixel camera to a never before price for the Indian market. Like how we popularized the quad camera in 2019, we are doing the same for the 64 megapixel in 2020. On the hardware front, the Realme 7i sports a 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, black and white lens and a macro lens. Some sample pictures here for your reference. The primary 64 megapixel camera features an aperture of 1.8, providing a great ability of light sensing. The 80-degree FOV and a 25 mm focal length are wide enough for users to shoot daily snapshots with utmost ease. The camera is a 6P lens and has a half-inch sensor ensuring vivid image quality. The PDAF focus can help users to focus on objects instantly. The 7i supports nightscape mode also. As you can see from the sample, the nighttime photos are Realme's advantages. Like 7 and 7 Pro, 7i also supports 3 iconic night filters. I really recommend you to have a try, as this artistic night styles will leave you truly impressed. The Realme 7i also features a wide-angle camera with a 8 megapixel and a 119-degree ultra-wide angle field. As for the video recording, there are two other features that I want to introduce to you. The first in UIS Max, which allows the ultra-wide angle lens to record video. At the same time, it supports super stabilization, keeping the image stable while capturing a wider view. The other cool feature is the new cinema mode. Movies generally have a wider aspect ratios than the regular videos for a stronger visual impact. The Realme 7i is enabled with a 21:9 aspect ratio video shooting, and when you continue it with a certain shooting scenes, the result is a video with a cinematic effect. I recommend you to try shooting some of the cinematic vlogs with the new Realme 7i. On the front, the 16 megapixel selfie camera uses the widely praised Sony IMX471 sensor with AI beautification, nightscape, HDR mode and portrait mode. Then comes the display. For the first time in this price range, the Realme 7i sports a 90Hz ultra smooth 6.5-inch display. With the Realme 6 and Realme 7 series, 90Hz has become a standard technology. The brilliant display and the flagship 64 megapixel camera are followed by the massive 5000 mAh battery and 18-watt fast charging, which can last up to 34 days in a standby mode. To ensure a strong performance, we have adopted a new processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 662. With the high frequency and octa-core structure, you can enjoy a power-packed and super smooth experience for your daily usage and games. So let's have a recap with a small video of Realme 7i.
Realme 7i. Capture sharper, play smoother. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
To wrap up the new member of our number series family, the Realme 7i is equipped with the first 64 megapixel quad camera in the segment, 90Hz ultra smooth display, 5000 mAh mega battery, 18 watts quick charge and many other exciting features. How should we price it for your best Diwali gift? Let's wait for a little more time. I'll reveal it later. Then finally, let me show you the creative special edition of the Realme 7 Pro, the sun-kissed leather. For the first time, Realme has used an eco-friendly vegan micrograin leather for its designs. Inspired by the gorgeous sunrise from the horizon, mirror designs in the Realme 7 series is expressed in a new way, which helps to create a trendy visual effect and a high-end touch feeling for the users. The vegan micrograin leather used in the Realme 7 Pro is 0.4 mm, ensuring a thin and light body while attaining a new designs from the raw leather to the final product. The Realme 7 Pro undergoes a 14 meticulous manufacturing processes, including cutting, stitching, cold pressing and hot pressing. Unlike common back cover materials such as glass or plastic, the edge of leather needs to be deburred, painted and stitched just like any other leatherware. At the same time, the iconic Realme logo is no longer printed on the back cover of the smartphone. Now the logo is molded separately, electroplated, and a CNC cut is done for a highlighted metallic effect which blends seamlessly into the surface of the leather. As a tech trendsetter brand, it's our pleasure to bring the new design inspiration to the whole smartphone industry. Hope you all like it. So, what should be the price of this special edition? The price of the special edition will be exactly the same at Rs 19,999 for 6GB 128GB and 21,999 for 8GB 128GB. The first sale for the Realme 7 Pro Sun-Kissed Leather Special Edition will be on 16th of October starting at midnight 12. It will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com, and it will be available in the stores nearby you. Now comes the most awaited part. Let's unveil the prices of all the products. First, let's unveil the price of the best value 64 megapixel camera phone, the Realme 7i, which will come in two variants, 4GB 64GB and 4GB 128GB. The Realme 7i 4GB 64GB is priced at Rs 11,999 only. The Realme 7i 4GB 128GB is priced at Rs 12,999 only.